In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find page views in Google Analytics. Whether you're a beginner just getting started with your website analytics, or someone looking to refine your data insights, understanding how to track page views is an essential skill. Page views can give you a glimpse into how much traffic your content is receiving, which pages are the most popular, and can help guide your content strategy moving forward. First, you'll want to open up your web browser and navigate to the Google Analytics homepage. Make sure you're logged in with the account that has access to the analytics of the website you're interested in. Once you're on the homepage, you'll see a dashboard with several options, but for today, we're focusing on finding those page views. Next, you'll want to click on the Reports tab. This is where you'll find all the insightful data that Google Analytics has gathered for your website. It's essentially your gateway to understanding the performance of your site. The Reports section is designed to be user-friendly, even if you're new to analytics, so don't worry if it seems overwhelming at first glance. Once you're in the Reports section, look for an option titled Pages and Screens. This is where you will find detailed information about the individual pages on your site, including the number of views each page has received. Clicking on Pages and Screens will take you to a new screen that breaks down your site's data by individual pages, allowing you to see which are the most visited and how users are interacting with them. Here, you'll see a list of your pages along with various metrics, but for our purposes, focus on the Page Views column. This column will show you the total number of views each page has received within the specified date range. You can adjust this date range to see how your pages have performed over different periods, be it today, this week, or over the last month. Remember, analyzing page views is not just about the numbers. It's about understanding how users are engaging with your content. A high number of page views might indicate a popular topic or effective promotion, while fewer views could suggest that a page needs improvement in terms of content or SEO. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you should now be able to find and interpret page views in Google Analytics. It's an insightful way to measure your website's performance and make informed decisions about where to focus your content efforts. Keep exploring and refining your analytics skills, and you'll be on your way to becoming a data-savvy website owner. Thanks for watching, and happy analyzing!